In this video, we are going to learn how to write a ratio in its simplest form. Imagine you are near a fruit stall which has apples, strawberries and lemons. And you have been asked to find the ratio of apples to lemons. Now we know that a ratio is nothing but a comparison of quantities. And this comparison is done by division and written as a fraction. So over here, there are 8 apples and 4 lemons. So we can write the ratio as 8 upon 4. But in this ratio, are there any common factors for the numerator and denominator? We can see over here that 2 and 4 are the common factors, and 4 is the highest common factor. Now, we also know that for a fraction, dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number doesn't change its value. So let us divide the numerator and the denominator by the HCF, which is 4. When we do that, we will get 8 divided by 4 divided by 4. That is 2 upon 1. Now you see, this fraction 2 upon 1 is equivalent to 8 upon 4. So these two ratios are equal in value. But 2 upon 1 cannot be reduced any further. So when we write the ratio in this form, in its lowest form, we say that the ratio is in its simplest form. So in our problem here, the ratio of apples to lemons in the simplest form is 2 upon 1. Let's see how to simplify a ratio when a term has fractions. Let's simplify this ratio. 2 upon 3 is to 5 upon 7. Now when the terms in the ratio have fractions, we find the LCM of both the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now we know that in a ratio, when we multiply both the terms by the same number, the value doesn't change. So over here, let us multiply both the terms by the LCM 21. Then we will get 2 upon 3 into 21 is to 5 upon 7 into 21. 3 goes in 21 7 times and 7 goes in 21 3 times. So this becomes 14 is to 15. This is the ratio in its simplest form. Remember, whenever we are simplifying ratios with fractions, find the LCM of both the denominators and then multiply both the terms. In this video, we'll see how to simplify a ratio when its terms have decimals. Let's simplify 2.5 is to 6.5. Now, we know that when we multiply both the terms of a ratio by the same number, its value doesn't change. So whenever we have decimals in the ratio, we first multiply both the terms of that ratio by powers of 10 to remove the decimal point. Here we will multiply both the terms with 10. Then we will get 2.5 into 10 is to 6.5 into 10. That is 25 is to 65. Now the HCF of 25 and 65 is 5. And we also now know that in a ratio, when we divide both the terms by the same number, the value does not change. So here we will divide the terms by HCF. Then we will get 25 divided by 5 is to 65 divided by 5. So the value will be 5 is to 13. Now this is the simplified form of this ratio. Remember, when we have decimals, we first multiply both the terms by power of 10 to remove the decimal point. And then we divide both the terms by the HCF to get the simplest form.